In this episode, we will discuss user expectations when using computer-related devices. Expectations are assumptions coming to pass. The first assumption made by users is that their data is private. Data privacy refers to unauthorized access. It is not data protection, which users assume to be the technical default. Next, users assume instant and constant network connectivity. Network connectivity is just there, through connections to the cloud, Wi-Fi, and Ethernet. The previous assumptions naturally lead users to conclude that information availability is a given. With all that technology in place, why not? Finally, maximum functionality. Maximum functionality is the assumption that everything will function all the time to deliver the first three expectations. The only parts of a computer network that users are familiar with, in fact that they can see, are those that they can lay their hands on. These include external drives, printers, laptops, memory sticks, tablets, desktop personal computers, and smartphones. Why is it necessary to delineate the expectations of ICT users? This needs to be done to reinforce the mission and purpose of information technology. To many, the answer to this may be that this mission is merely ensuring that information is stored somewhere, someplace. This cannot be true. Information that is merely stored on a hard disk drive is of use to neither man nor beast. It needs to be made available to people for whatever use they see fit. This process is best illustrated using a conceptual information delivery cycle. The conceptual information delivery cycle has 3 stages. Data, which is the result of data acquisition and storage. Information, which is supported by data processing and retrieval. And finally, users, the objective of the data and information stages. There is a hierarchy to end user expectations. These expectations are delivered by combining the elements of the 2 primary layers of the information delivery cycle. The first one is the ICT functions layer, combining data and information to support technology operations. The other is the ICT functionality layer, supporting technology delivery. Having agreed that users are the focus of technology delivery, we turn to the producers or originators of information. There are 5 categories of information producers. Number 1, government agencies. Government departments and agencies publish lots of information in print and electronic formats. In various countries of the world, governments at all levels play an important role in producing information for the society they serve. Secondly, Academic institutions. Academic institutions such as universities and colleges are major producers of information in a society or country. Thirdly, we turn to the private sector. A third major producer of information in a country is the private sector. This consists of print and electronic media organizations, commercial business outfits, publishers or vendors and aggregators, performing film industry people that publish and or make their information products and services accessible on the web, either free or by subscription. Next, we consider private individuals. Individuals also create information. Many print and web documents available today are created by private individuals, some of whom have their own websites or pages. And lastly, the social media platforms. Some individuals disseminate information through Facebook, Twitter, blogs, YouTube, Instagram, etc., etc. We now turn to the characteristics of maximum functionality. There is a theory that persons have assumed a predominant role in society in respect of information technology. This role is referred to as information and communication technology user. In short, an ICTU. ICT has permeated every facet of society, thereby enticing its users to test its functionality at every turn. Users expect their information needs to be met in terms of anything, what they need, anytime, when they need it, any place, where they need it, and any form as they need it.